Check it out, guys. So this morning I'm over here in Chatham County, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you through another Heartland 3. The Heartland 3 consists of 1,825 square feet. There is an XL version that takes that all the way to 2,089 square feet. As you can see, this customer did not add a front porch, but what I mean by that is that front porch is 100% built on site. Optional, you can go 8x, 6x, shed style, gable style. We are going to have those conversations. So when you come to me to design it, you kind of need to, have that image already laid out in your mind of how you want this thing to look. You are seeing that beautiful gray siding complemented by the black farmhouse shutters and the black gutters and downspouts. Always a nice way to kind of complement your colors there with different color gutters and all that stuff, and shutters and all that. So let's get in here and take a look. Like I said, this is the 1,825 square foot version of the Heartland series. It is 3-bed, 2-bath with an optional den or 4th bedroom. This customer actually optioned in that actual 4th bedroom, so you'll get to see that today. All right, so as you can see, you are greeted by a very large living room, which opens up to that kitchen and dining space. Big double window in here for natural light. Notice how big the window sills. That's kind of a dead giveaway that this is 2x6 exterior wall construction. Every room comes wired and braced for a ceiling fan, but if you want an actual ceiling fan hanging there from us the day you move in, the ceiling fan itself will be an upgrade, but the wire and bracing is already there. Look at this kitchen. Huge island. Got your coffee bar over there. Beautiful designer range hood. Got your apron style farmhouse sinks or farmhouse sink there. It really does check all the boxes. Big pot and pan drawers there in your island. Soft close, dovetail construction, all that good stuff. I get a lot of comments asking where are the outlets in the kitchen. Typically, when you go to a backsplash, we are going to undermount all the switches and outlets, okay? So your backsplash is nice and clean. If you don't like that, obviously we don't have to do it that way. And then directly off of this kitchen is the always impressive Heartland pantry. So this general idea of this pantry is featured in most of the Heartland series plans. So if a big pantry is something you're looking for, the Heartlands are going to check that box, okay? Easy access to your water heater. Nationwide's included 2-panel doors, hardware, base molding, all that stuff included, all right? Got a really nice sized dining area there. I feel like I talk about this every video, but with the Heartland 3, you have a double window there is standard. You can option in the door. So right now you just have a utility room door and your front door. Okay. You can always option in that 3rd or 4th door if you'd like, but typically just that front and utility room door is included. Going down the hallway here, it's not lit up, but any hallway over 6 feet long, we're going to have that built-in night light on the faceplate there. Just a nice little touch. To the right is the utility. No options in here. You do have your included storage organizational system there, but no sinks, no hall trees. You do have the freezer there, or freezer outlet, or whatever you want to use that outlet for, and another outlet there. But you can put a hall tree in here, the sink where I'm standing. So we will talk about that as well if that's something you want to look at. And then this is kind of the area where you can access all 3 bedrooms. So bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. This is the room that is actually used as that secondary den. And that is how this plan is originally drawn up. So if you look at the original Heartland 3 or Heartland 3 XL, this is just going to be a cased opening leading you into a den. And as you can see, this customer went with the 4th bedroom, added the closet right here. What happens is you do pick up this hallway closet, this storage closet, which you do not have when you just leave it as a den. So definitely want to look at that as you're studying the plans. And then you got bedroom 2 and 3. Kind of odd that they left carpet in just one bedroom. I have no idea why, but they did run the LVP everywhere except for that 4th bedroom, okay? Here's bath 2, included sinks, tub shower combo, and bath 2 is always gonna be where we start you. And then here is that bedroom 3. I'll just show you this bedroom and the closet because they are the same size. Nice storage closet there. All right, and then let's cross that main space and check out the master suite. So this is the Heartland 3, 1,825 square feet, consists of an optional front and back porch, of course. You are seeing the true 4-bedroom version today. You have seen about every version with me at this point. Really good size master bedroom. You got this great walk-in closet, got your shoe cubby there, wraparound shelving, and you even got a little storage cubby back here as well. So plenty of storage. And then in this bathroom today, you're actually gonna see the 4x8 shower. So you know that the Heartland series comes with a smaller shower and a linen closet. You can option in tubs or bigger showers. This is the largest of the 3 showers, that 4x8 shower, which includes ceramic tile, the rain head, the can light, and the wand, and the bench. So this customer added the window, the shampoo box. You can run the tile to the ceiling, add another can light, add another wall mount shower head, whatever you want to do, okay? If you are big on a private toilet room, I would recommend looking at the 4x6 shower. This is the 4x8. You can cut this down by 2 feet. What that allows me to do is get the toilet back in this area here, which allows me to frame out a door here. So the door would swing the door would swing this way. You'd step in and then your toilet would be right there, which you have seen in other videos as well. So keep that in mind, guys. And that is it for today. I want to thank you guys for all the subscription and views. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you're interested or you know anyone interested in building their dream home, designing their dream home, please get with me directly with my email, Shields, SHIELDS, at nccustommodulars.com. If you call our office, 336-226-9066, and you call because of this video, please ask to speak with me right off the bat, okay? Thank you, guys, and take care.